In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up ExactApply configuration if you have ExactApply technology on your sprayer. First off, we have to launch our Booms and Nozzles app. So we go into Menu, Machine Setting, Booms and Nozzles. Right in the center of the page, right underneath our boom sections, we have ExactApply configuration and our spray mode. So we'll click into our spray mode. So first things first, we're going to go into Manual Setup. Manual Setup is our setup for our nozzle turrets and how we're going to have them facing on the machine. So in this particular situation here, we have number 1 in the front and number 4 in the rear. Now if we need to change our tip sizes here, we can just click on the tip size and change it, either what we've recently had, or we can go to all and scroll down and find our appropriate tip. In this demonstration, I'm going to use an 03 and 04. So each turret has 6 holes. So in our first one here, we got an 03. So with number 1 position in the front and number 4 position in the rear, we have 3 spray modes. So we have A only, B only, and A plus B. So as we're in A only, you can see our pipes here are only connected to A. Okay. In our valve pulsing mode over here, we have auto, fixed, or off. So in our auto, we can still pulsate out of our number 1 03 tip in A only, but that will be on 15 hertz only. We can change that to B, and as you can see, our pipes swap down here to B, and our valve pulsing is still in auto, so that is 15 hertz only out of port number 4 for B only. Now we can switch to A plus B, and you can see our pipes are connected to A and our pipes are connected to B, and our valve pulsing is on auto, which means we're going to pulsate 15 hertz out of A. We're going to pulsate 15 hertz out of B for a combined total of 30 hertz out of 2 nozzles. So as we rotate to position number 2 in the front, position number 5 in the rear, it is the same spray modes and the same setup as we just mentioned earlier with position number 1 in the front and 4 in the rear, as well as 3 position in the front and 6 position in the rear. All of those have the same exact setup, and we can set them up however we please, whatever nozzle that we need. Same thing with valve pulsing. It is an auto and 1, 2, or 3 position. So with 1, 2, and 3 in the front position, we have A only, B only, and an A plus B. Swapping over to 4, 5, or 6 in the front position. So 4 in the front position, 1 in the rear, 4, 5, or 6. Notice that we cannot change our spray mode. Our spray mode is combined A plus B, which means both of our solenoids, A and B solenoid, both of our pipes are feeding one hole, one nozzle. So with our valve position in auto, we are sending 15 hertz out of A solenoid and 15 hertz out of B solenoid for a combined total of 30 hertz out of 1 tip. So this would be for a high flow application or a nitrogen application to allow us to get the most pulsating coverage that we can, which is 30 hertz out of 1 nozzle tip, and with our valve pulsing on auto, it gives us turn compensation abilities. So that is a short setup of nozzle turret and manual setup configuration and our ExactApply configuration on our ExactApply sprayers. Thanks for watching.